Okay, so this is did I just tell you it doesn't know? It doesn't know what you mean. What? I don't want to hear the Subway Surfers. But my kid, can I please have your tablet? Okay. You can play all the games on there. Play.
Did you charge? Did you plug it up?
Yes.
Okay. You got to plug up now?
Yes. No.
Oh, plug it up now. Oh, stay charged.
Stop making your train. Come on, plug it up. What? Stop making your train. It's not charging. There, it's a charge? Yeah. Okay. It's Subway Surfers time! It's Subway Surfers time! Okay, the snow is gone. And what are we going to do with that snowy washer? I think you're even overreacting. I don't see no snow here, but it's going to snow as Monday. Oh, okay. You better not. Okay. You said, one more time, you're going to give me the hiccups when I laugh. Okay, criminal driver's license. Raquel, Daddy, the coat will be fine as mine because it's a little wet.
Should we tell Rakeem that you've been acting bad in school?
No! Elijah, what are you doing there? I just be good. Elijah, you stop lying and tell the truth. I'm not lying, I told you. This.
Who they send home? What's the little...
Elijah. It's a bit cold in here. No, it's not. Jackpot! Time to launch! We found the J! It's Jake! You better know. We're not gonna crash this time! This is better. I just have that a lock start
urgent alert
board.
to parents of children who have played the popular online gaming platform Roblox. If your child was a victim of sexual abuse or any other harm while using the Roblox platform, you may qualify for significant compensation.